I wanted to study abroad in an international environment with networking events and close ties to the sport industry. IUM's location in Monaco and its close ties to the sports events and global events made it the perfect fit. The biggest strength is the professors. They're professionals within their field, and it adds an experimental and a lot of practical knowledge to every lesson that we learn. So far, I think the IOC case study competition has been a highlight. It's a competition that has led me to going to Switzerland, and we have actually become finalists within this competition. Monaco places you right at the center of global and elite sport events, and through studying in Monaco, I've had the ability to experience working at some different global sports events. It's helped me bridge my sports science background with a business and marketing front, and it allows me to see more of the different sides of sports rather just than the biomechanics and the science side that I'm used to. I'm aiming at a career that works with the sports science as well as sports business, and that could be in athlete performance, some data or strategy within sports organizations. If you're open-minded, ambitious, and ready to push yourself, this is the perfect program for you as it offers real-life experiments outside of the classroom.